Ndewo kekeme. Aha m bụ Ijeoma, anyị na-ewetara gị nkụzi Igbo. Okay? Anyị nwere video ngeme ụbọchị asaa, 7 days from now till Sunday. Okay, so if you tune in here every day, there will be an Igbo lesson for you. And I'm taking in suggestions. So in your suggestions, feel free to put it in the comments. You might not be able to put it under the video, man. We will continue under the community post when I'll put the community post. Or if you're on the email list, of course, send me an email. Okay, I had a request to make some list of verbs. So there's a long list of verbs. So I'll just say the common ones, and then I'll make some sentences with them. I also had a request to make a conversation about school. So I'll use those verbs that has to do with school. Okay, so some of the common verbs that has to do with school will be like going, isn't it? Or studying, doing. So iga is to go. Ije is to go. As I mentioned, these verbs, these are unconjugated. Okay, to conjugate them, I'll link to another video where I've done conjugation of verbs. So iga, to go. Ije is also to go. Ime, to do. Ego akwụkwọ, to read. Ego akwụkwọ, to read. Imo, to learn. Okay, so that's a few verbs. Iga, to go. Ije, to go. Ime, to do. Ego akwụkwọ, to study or to read. Imo, to learn. Like, okay, so now let's make some sentences. I'll start with present tense. Naga ụlọ akwụkwọ, I'm going to school. Naga. Naga is the present tense form of the verb to go. Naga ụlọ akwụkwọ. You can also say neje ụlọ akwụkwọ. Okay, so the question might be, kedu ebe ị na-eje? Where are you going? Neje ụlọ akwụkwọ. Kedu ebe ị na-eje? Neje ụlọ akwụkwọ. Kedu ebe ị na-aga? Na-aga ụlọ akwụkwọ. Okay, let's use ime. Kedu ihe ị na-eme? Na-eme ọrụ m, I'm doing my work. Kedu ihe ị na-eme? Na-eme ọrụ m. Okay, kedu ihe ị na-eme? Kedu ihe ị na-eme? Na-agụ akwụkwọ. So what are you doing? I'm studying. Kedu ihe ị na-eme? Na-agụ akwụkwọ. Okay, I'm reading or I'm studying. Na-agụ akwụkwọ. Kedu ihe ị na-eme? Na-amụ Igbo. I'm learning Igbo. So kedu ihe ị na-eme? What are you doing? Na-amụ Igbo. Okay, so we'll stop here for now. Like I said, we have 7 days to learn this week. See you tomorrow. And if you'd like to join my Zoom lessons, my paid version, if you visit igbostudy.com, you'll see how to enroll. And I'm currently taking students for the boot camp, which is the group class, and also for my one-on-one classes. Ngwanu o na asụkwa Igbo. Kodi.